All right, we just ate at this sushi restaurant. I know it's blinking a lot, but it's kind of how my phone records it. Anyways, it was a very interesting experience because someone at the share house recommended it. I thought it was good overall, but the interesting part was more so like the experience. What happened was everything's in Japanese. I didn't ask for an English menu just to practice my Japanese, and pretty much everyone was speaking in Japanese, mostly Japanese people there. And in order to order, you have to basically say like, sumimasen, maguro onegaishimasu, or like kudasai, or something like that. Basically order by order. And I didn't realize that until, I kind of just like sat down and waited for someone else to order first to figure out like, oh, how are people ordering? But it was a really good experience in terms of just like practicing Japanese, and it's something I've been doing on and off recently. More so whenever I hang out with my Japanese friends, it's easier to practice, but like one of my goals is to be able to comfortably go to places like that or the restaurants and just order and be okay with it. But this time I definitely felt like I was really, really giving it my all. Like focusing, trying to figure things out, like a little kid again, trying to see like, okay, what is everyone else doing? How do you properly order? And sometimes I felt like the sushi chef was overwhelmed because like people are like saying sumimasen from like every seat around him. And I'm like, okay, I should just wait until maybe there's a little bit more downtime for him so I don't, you know, make him continuously work. I mean, that's his job, but still, it was cool. I really enjoyed that experience. It was a good test for sure, I'd say. I feel like I'm definitely not there in terms of being able to do it comfortably, but at least I didn't speak any English, so I'm happy with that. And just gotta keep doing it more. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this one.